senior citizens be sure say what it be Abdul Fatau Safiu, former Kumasi Asante Kotoko striker, currently a free agent. Information I say Nkomodi Koswa Kumasi Asante Kotoko after the first round of the Ghana Premier League, and likely say join the former club. And one sem kakra e wa ha me de bro, and this kakra kra e ho asem e wa ha me de bro e wo fie ha sei. Me fa cho younger for no ewrem e wo Kumasi. As I say, you know, game against Media Man 2 days time because we Baba Sports Stadium. Kumasi football fans, in San Kosha Hona, Yanko Hebon, na enyede. GF in says Semono, wouldn't say, you know, Afcon edge ever chassis na. And Comodia be a mate and still now, GF from Penny for Ninya and could shooting there. All Lady Ghana, Emma Ghana Fanco. Afcon and once some kakra ha me bro on Super 24 TV no so pacho na your first time now ha wadaro ma no abo adoma no so ama me na wabo subscribe button no so na e develop a house no together. Now Abdul Fatau says no Abdul Fatau Safiu'S says no e wo ha me bro we kai Abdul Fatau Safiu'S one Ganiyu mo na boy those days ana Ganiyu mu gina mu no those days ana Abdul Fatau Beto, Captain Extraordinaire, Anan time on so not over ho, and Abdul Beto Anan on any bobia, and between 2019, no, the now Abdul Fatau agent and also pan Emma Kumasi Asante Kotoko, a most from pon time kakran so on any boy. Now Abdul Fatau in 2019 around August. And now we now straight deal I was Sweden or then any chair trolley bog now trolley bog what I'll call you know or bog kakra and in 2021 or call Trohatam. Yes, it's after Trohatam done on share that in play any active football and now why a free agent. Na Abdul me follow no social media pa Kotoko bobo Ghana was o tweeting the love o tweeting the support ni ade enti na enya nwanwa say nkomodie bi say e koso behind the scenes Kumasi Asante Kotoko IMC over the weekend omuhia e na Monday no after the game omusa ye meeting e na omu confirm say they would need to add certain strikers after the first round na eno e na Abdul Fatau Safiu'S return nkomo ne buy e na Abdul so a confirm ya mo say are you ready to come back and play for the club. So this one I can confirm it, and from the guy's own mouth, no, or no, so I retreat in the word say, well, you're very much ready because of the love he has for Krobiano. So Obesaba now Obe Bangi in the goals for Krobia Asante Kotoko. So right now, everything's left on the negotiation table. If both parties are able to agree on a fee, understandable fee, I'll meet me Ahama Abdul Fatau Safiu'S Beba. Let's just say, and then after the first round, Kotoko could have the former striker back, donning the Krobia Asante Kotoko JC, and all the information Yensaka and so your bloggy be amount Ewufia. Esco no Asia, Meka Esco Ghana Football Association, Obasia, na majority more members, about 99.9% of Munine Kazen, Coach Kersuti, no, on your coach Obeboa Ghana, in Tinka. Ye ko Afcon no before Afcon no nanka ye yi nefro ne apɛ coach for na or the team ne ko sɛ ne be ya after the Afcon no ye ko ba nya afiri na the contract ne be wie ye na ya be sɛ Ghana ekobo World Cup qualifies na ya ko pɛ coach for animu ya no nka yen getting rid of him ɛno ne nkomodi a ekoso na me asemu a omo kan well GF for na story bia Mukaza will come in Zimbibra. Then Zimpi Beba in Zimia, Emfencia, the MJ Kotokono. Your mom pass a Fatau deal the bit me as silly true because I confirm is on no day of Esaba, we now Besaba. And that's the most important thing right now. The negotiations no and a coso between the club and the player himself and his agents. And only Kakreo. Asafu Fubiaba, Ebesa so camera no. Na edia bro ufia high Super 24 TV unsubscribe ya darama no hit it subscribe at me so ya build the house together information will be as you your